All right, let us quickly solve this problem. 7 raised to power 5 plus 7 raised to power 4 plus 7 raised to power, I have 7 raised to power 5 plus 7 raised to power 4 plus 7 raised to power 3 plus 7 raised to power 2 plus 7. All right. Now, between these two people, if I bring out 7 raised to power 4 outside, I think I'll be having 7 here plus 1, right? Because this divided by this, it will remain 1. And this divided by itself is 1, okay? Plus, now between these two people, I can have 7 raised to power 2 outside. Then 7 divided by this, I'm going to have 7. This divided by this, I'm going to have 1, okay? Then plus 7. Now, this 2 is giving me 7 raised to power 4 in bracket of 8 plus 7 raised to power 2 in bracket of 8 again, then plus 7, right? Now, these people have something in common. They have 8 in common. So I'm going to have 8 in bracket of 7 raised to power 4 plus 7 raised to power 2, right? Then plus 7, okay? So now, if you look at these two, they still have something in common. I can decide to break it down to have 8 here dot 7 raised power 2 outside. So I'm going to have this divided by this to give you 7 raised power 2 plus this divided by itself. I'm having 1, okay, plus 7. So this is now 8 dot 49 in bracket of 49 plus 1 then plus 7. So I'm going to have that this is 8 dot 49 dot what 50 then plus 7, okay? So you do that and then get the answer. So this is 8 times 49 times 50 times 7, okay? So then plus 7. Sorry, I'm having 8 times 49 times 50, okay? Then plus 7. So I'm having everything as 19607. So that is that for that. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Love you. Please subscribe, please.